Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and overview of a new team member. Please welcome the MacBook Air M2 chip 2022 variant, and this is a 8GB RAM and 256GB laptop. Sleek, super sleek actually. Only Type-C ports and the proprietary charging cable, and I guess one, what do you call, the well-known 3.5mm headphone jack. So it's a great product from Apple, and we got this. Just checking if there is a price mentioned somewhere. I'm not able to find it, but anyway, so we got this for approx 88,000. I think it is retailed at around 1,14,000 something, but then we got it for about 88,000 with multiple layers of discounts. So without further delay, let's do the unboxing of this and let's dive deep into it. So guys, here is the new MacBook Air M2 chip. This is the 2022 variant, and all the manufacturing details are mentioned on this side, as you can see. Let's check the other side. Here we have the Apple logo and some batch number. Probably we bought this from Chroma, so probably they have that batch number. Here it says MacBook Air, and here is again an Apple logo. So let's check what else is mentioned at the back. Okay, it says 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD, and this is the silver color MacBook Air. Let's do this peel offs. So this is a easy unboxing experience peel off. So you just need to peel this like this from both the sides. There is one more at the top, so you don't need any knife or scissors to unbox. Here we go. So let's open this and smooth. Here it is, the MacBook Air, silver color. Let's keep this aside and let's see. This is fully covered with some butter paper, I guess, meshy butter paper. Let's keep the MacBook aside for now. Let me open it from this side. Okay, let's open it like this. Let's keep it aside and let's check the contents in the box. So here we get some proprietary charging to Type-C, some paperwork in this, possibly the warranty stuff and some user guide, and here is we have the charger. This is a 30-watt charger guys, but the MacBook Air M2 variant supports 65-watt fast charging, but they are not providing it in the box. Sad Apple. So let's check out the laptop itself, and here let's remove this. It's fully packed and we can pull it off from here. Yep, feels really nice and premium, the build quality and everything. And here it is. It's sleek guys. It is 13.6 inch I believe, weighs only 1.2 grams, sorry, kgs. So this is very sleek. It doesn't have any ports on the sides, just Type-C ports and a headphone jack and the proprietary charging cable, definitely. And here it goes, super sleek as usual, Apple. Nice finishing. And let's remove this. Protective film is there, and it's starting by default, and as you can see, it started. Possibly it should give the same experience as of an unboxing of an iPhone. Yeah, hello, as expected, and it would give the same in multiple other languages too. So that's it for this video guys. This is the unboxing of the new M2 chip, MacBook Air, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, silver color variant. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in next video. Take care guys. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. This is a great product from Apple, and this has the new M2 chip, which is one of the super powerful chip in any laptop. And it's a compact laptop, MacBook Air design, very sleek, and it weighs approx I think 1.3 kgs or 1.3 kgs. Very carryable compact laptop. So if your use case fits in that, you can easily take this laptop and travel around and do your job from anywhere. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.